हेलो एवरीवन, एक्चुअली जो दो कंपनीज हमने शॉर्टलिस्ट करी एंड सेलेक्ट करी है, बेसिकली उसमें जो पहली कंपनी है, इट हैज सिक्योर्ड अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट टू इम्प्लीमेंट एन ऑटोमेटेड फेयर कलेक्शन सिस्टम इन इजिप्ट। बेसिकली ये कोलैबोरेशन है मास्टर कार्ड एंड द नेशनल बैंक ऑफ इजिप्ट के साथ। इट इज अ फर्स्ट मेजर ट्रांजिट प्रोजेक्ट इन द मिडिल ईस्ट एंड अफ्रीका फॉर द कंपनी। मीनवाइल हमारी जो दूसरी कंपनी, इट इज अ ट्रैवल टेक फर्म। उसका जो बस सेगमेंट है, इट हैज पार्टनर्ड विद यूरोपियन प्लेटफॉर्म टू लिस्ट इंडियन ऑपरेशंस ग्लोबली, फॉलोइंग स्ट्रॉन्ग ग्रोथ इन देयर मार्जिन्स एंड पर यूजर रेवेन्यू. Basically, both the companies are focused on expanding internationally, and both of them are working on building recurring revenue streams. Well, stay tuned to find out our entire analysis. Welcome all to another edition of The Noisemaker. I'm Ujjwal Sil, an equity research analyst at Desvelato Advisory, and आज हम जो दोनों कंपनीज हमने जो भी जिसका ब्रीफ दिया आपको, उसको हम इन डेप्थ कवर करेंगे कि बेसिकली ये जो एक्सपैंड कर रहे हैं ग्लोबली, इससे होगा क्या and what good it will bring to the company's financials. So we'll deep dive right in. Before that, we have a disclaimer. Just a minute. Yeah. Any discussion, facts, or writing provided are for informational purposes only and do not constitute a buy or sell recommendation. Please conduct your own due diligence before making any investment decisions. So we'll go ahead with the first company. So जो पहली company हमने cover करी है, it is Aurionpro. Basically, Aurionpro Solutions, digital banking solutions provide करता है, and it helps businesses improve customer service, and it works on smart city and transportation projects. Along with this, it also offers cyber security services to protect companies from online threats. अभी recently company ने secure किया एक contract to implement an automated fare collection system Egypt के public transport के लिए. It is in partnership with Mastercard and the National Bank of Egypt. ये मार्क करता है कंपनी का पहली मेजर एंट्री मिडिल ईस्ट में, एंड इस पहले प्रेजेंट नहीं थी, एंड अफ्रीका ऑल्सो, एंड इट अलाइंस विद द ब्रॉडर स्ट्रैटेजी. उनका प्लान भी था टू एक्सपैंड द ट्रांजिट सेगमेंट थ्रू इन-हाउस टेक्नोलॉजी, ओपन लूप सिस्टम्स एंड कोलैबोरेशंस विद ग्लोबल पार्टनर्स. सक्सेसफुल रोल आउट इस चीज का could help demonstrate the scalability of its AFC system beyond Asia and improve long-term partnerships and serve as a model for other regional cities. It can also provide recurring revenue from future upgrades and transactions while generating data for future AI offerings. Ultimately, ये support करेगा companies की aim जो है to grow at 25 to 30% annually with their aim of achieving 20% plus EBITDA margins. Now coming to the numbers of the company, basically the financials. FY25 में कंपनी ने रिपोर्ट किया 32.2% इंक्रीज इन रेवेन्यू, एंड बेसिकली वो पहुंच गया था 1173 करोड़. EBITDA came out around 242 करोड़ and their margin was around 20.6%, and as I said, उनको अचीव करना 20 से above margin मेंटेन करने उनका गाइडेंस है. एंड जो नेट प्रॉफिट था दैट वाज अराउंड 188.4 करोड़, एंड जो मार्जिन था दैट वाज 15.8%. For the future outlook, company is planning to expand its presence in the US, and वो अपने banking solutions वहाँ पे expand करना चाहते हैं through partnerships and enhancing its payments platform using advanced tools, while also focusing on scaling its data center and mobility service. And on the global front, ये plan कर रहे हैं to grow its transaction banking, lending suite and transit solutions जो भी करा है उन्होंने expand, supported by the recent 10 million pounds का acquisition of Paris-based Phoenixes. This acquisition, ये जो acquisition है Phoenixes का, it brings in capital market capabilities and gives the company the delivery base in France, Norway and the UK, which could help it deepen its reach in developed markets and support long-term growth. Now we'll head on to the next company that we've covered for today. Yeah, so जो दूसरी company आज के लिए हमने cover करी है, it is basically Learth Revenues Technology Limited. Basically Ixigo है जो आप यूज करते हैं फ्लाइट्स वगैरह बुक करने के लिए. सो बेसिकली ये रन करते हैं ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पे ये कंपनी जो है, एंड इट हेल्प्स यूजर सर्च फॉर ट्रैवल इन्फॉर्मेशन एज आई टोल्ड यू, एंड यहाँ पे टिकट्स बुक कर सकते हैं. ये इट मेक्स दिस कंपनी मेक्स ट्रैवल प्लानिंग ईजियर थ्रू इट्स वेबसाइट्स एंड एप्स, एंड अलॉन्ग विद दिस कंपनी ऑल्सो बिल्ड्स एंड मेंटेन्स सॉफ्टवेयर फॉर अदर बिजनेसेस. बेसिकली कंपनी का जो बस प्लेटफॉर्म है दैट इज नेम्ड अभी बस, इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ Ixigo. इट हैज टाइड अप विद जर्मनी बेस्ड चेक माई बस to make over 4,000 Indian bus operators and 3.5 lakh routes visible on a global travel platform. कि अब globally ये सारे platforms access कर सकते हैं ये, and it is used in more than 90 countries. Well, this step comes at a time when the bus segment has seen 78% growth year on year. तो और growth की भी possibility and contribute over a third of the company's margins in Q4 of 25. Instead of relying heavily on marketing spend, the company is focusing on expanding reach. बेसिकली मार्केटिंग स्पेंड पे कम फोकस कर रहे हैं रादर देन अपनी रीच एक्सपैंड करने में, व्हिच इज वन ऑफ देयर मूव्स. This move is one of the ways they're expanding their reach and improving product experience. With this partnership, ये aim कर रहे हैं to tap into international users market, जो international market है, जो users है internationally, they want to tap into that market and higher value bookings को target कर रहे हैं, which could obviously improve their revenue per user. The company's average annual spend per user has already grown from approximately 6,500 rupees in FY23 to 9,700 rupees in FY25, and this move may help push that further while increasing customer stickiness and solidifying the bus segment's contribution to profit. अब फाइनेंशियल की बात करें कंपनी की, तो FY25 में कंपनी ने रेवेन्यू पोस्ट किया था अप्रोक्सीमेटली 914 करोड़ का, मेकिंग 39.4% ग्रोथ ओवर द प्रीवियस ईयर. एबिटा भी बढ़ा था इनका, 94.4 करोड़ हो गया था फ्रॉम 76.9 करोड़, एंड जो मार्जिन से दैट क्लॉक्ड अराउंड 10.3%. Net profit जो था for the company in FY25, it was around 60.3 crores and the margin was 6.5%. Looking ahead, the company is seeing growing interest in features like travel guarantee, price lock and Abhi Assured, which are designed to address common user concerns. Basically, इन्होंने ये develop करे after doing their research on common user concerns, जो mainly users के concerns रहते हैं. They've included these features like travel guarantee, price lock and Abhi Assured to encourage users to try different travel modes on the platform, and they charge their fees on that. While these offerings aren't currently focused on profitability, basically they help increase usage, repeat transactions and average ticket size improve करने में help कर रहे हैं. And their dynamic pricing model allows for monetization at scale without relying on heavy discounts. Company is also planning कि वो grow करे hotel segment अपना by making the booking process smoother and more reliable, especially for users from smaller cities. And instead of spending aggressively on marketing, the strategy is to use its existing monthly user base of 83 million to drive traffic organically, which could improve user engagement and help it gain a bigger share of spending across services, travel services. Now, these were the two companies. We'll head on to some of the previous picks that we've covered for today. First company is Axis Gate. Basically, it has went from 1280 to 1380 from when we covered, approximately up by 7.8%. Next is Ikra Limited, and it is up from 6,700 rupees, and it is up approximately by 1.2% from the date of our coverage. The next company is Shakti Pumps, which we covered when this stock was trading at 970 rupees. It is up by it is down by 1.3% and at around 957. Next company is D Development Engineers. We covered this when it was trading at 279. It is up by 12.4% and currently trading at 314 rupees. Lastly, we have Repco Home Finance. We covered this when it was trading at 427. It is up by 4% and currently trading at 444.1 rupees. Now, to have a look at all the companies that we have covered and the returns that they have generated, you can just scan this QR, and we've created an Excel sheet just for you guys after getting a lot of queries on how your stocks have performed. So you can have a look at this and you will see how the stocks we have covered have performed, and we have not made it bias, a good return bias, since that we have only put good returns. इसमें आपको हमारे सारे stocks मिलेंगे, be it bad return, be it good return. We want it to be as transparent as possible with you guys, so you can have a look at this. Now I'll summarize the two companies that we have covered for today. So basically, the first company was Aurum Pro Solutions. Company has won a major contract to set up an automated fare collection system for Egypt's public transportation. And the next company which we have covered for today is Le Travenues Technology Limited, which is basically Ixigo, and it's Abhibus, which is Indigo's bus business. It is partnered with Germany-based CheckMyBus to list over 4,000 operators and 3.5 lakhs plus routes from India on a global platform used in 90 plus countries. Well, that was it for today's Noisemaker. And if you want to have a look at the entire report, you can have a sneak peek right here. And you can see a glimpse of the report that we've created. If you want the entire report, if you want to read it yourself, you can scan this QR code and it will direct you towards our main Noisemaker document that we have created and what we have summarized in this video. So please go ahead and scan this link and it will direct you towards it. So that was it for today. I hope you liked today's video, and if you gained some knowledge or you found something which you didn't know earlier, so we request you to like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment if you want us to cover any other topic, be it fundamental or any other company, and we'll make sure to look at your comments and response. Thank you.